love sharing good news, so when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it.
I found quality online and decided to give them a try for lawn care. I am 100% satisfied. Mike came to my home and introduced himself before he started mowing, and he was so professional. He did a great job on my lawn. I've hired a number of companies and they all fell short, but quality exceeded my expectations. I'll be a customer for years, and I know my neighbors will be hiring them as well.
So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.